Time for the science with this little kitty. What is it like in space? Well, I don't know. I've never been, and I'm assuming you haven't either. Okay, the first thing you need to know is that there is no air in space. Why? Because space is a place that is far from our planet, too far to have enough gravity to hold on to an atmosphere. Because there is no air, there is nothing to hold on to heat. There is nothing to scatter light. And so instead of a sky of blue, there is blackness all around. Except for the stars. Billions of them. They are beautiful and they are all out there, far away. Some stars have planets around them. And maybe somewhere out there, there is another astronaut orbiting her home planet, gazing back at you. Your sun is one of the billions of stars. If you look up in the night sky at the stars, you will see different sized stars, each with a different brightness. Stars range greatly in their distance from Earth, and our sun appears to shine brighter, and it appears bigger than other stars because it is closer to us. The Earth rotates with respect to the sun once every 24 hours. Earth's rotation is the rotation of planet Earth around its own axis. As the Earth rotates, it also moves or revolves around the sun. The Earth's path around the sun is called its orbit. It takes the Earth 1 year, or 365 1/4 days, to complete orbit the sun. As the Earth orbits the sun, the moon orbits the Earth. And then you look down and you see it, the big blue marble. More than half of its surface is covered with water, which is why it's so blue. It looks lonely out there, surrounded by so much space, but it is our only home, and so we must take care of it. All right, could you breathe in space? Why or why not? Well, we just read that there is no air. Can we breathe with no air? No. So I would say I could not breathe in space. Oops, I forgot the. Because there is no air. Period. Can't forget that period. Why is it cold in space? So I remember it saying that there is nothing, because there is no air, there is nothing to hold on to heat. So why is it cold in space? It is cold in space because there is nothing to hold on to heat. Why is it dark in space? Let's go back up. There is nothing to scatter light. So it's telling us the answers right there. We just got to go back and read. So why is it dark in space? It is dark in space because there is nothing to hold on to light. Make sure we're writing in complete sentences. How many stars are out there? Thousands? Millions? Billions? I remember this. Do you? There are billions of them. It says right here. Billions of stars. There are billions of stars. And that's it. I hope you got all these sentences down. All right.